Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. We are here live in Las Vegas for SEMA 2018. Yeah, up top.
How you doing?
There we go. We're doing great. Hey, it is Kyle live from Las Vegas at SEMA 2018 with Midwest Aftermarket in the ICI booth alongside Scott. What's up, man?
A lot of things going on again here today, Kyle. I want to show you 3 new bumpers applications that we just released at the SEMA show. As Midwest Aftermarket has sold a lot of Magnum bumpers, you guys are always very quick to add all the new applications. So we want to let your customers know what we have going on for them.
Sweet, let's take a look.
So one new application that you'll see in December is the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado. It's a brand new truck, brand new body style. So we will have a Magnum Series bumper that's out on that as well. It'll be available in the 3 Series. We'll have the pre-runner style, which is more the squared off post, or you'll have a pre-runner style or just your standard factory bumper. And then you'll also have that grill guard that we talked about earlier.
Nice. Now that's looking ahead to 2019. What else down here?
Also 2019, you had a new Dodge that was released out there. So what you see down here below is the 2019 Dodge unit. Once again, this is the standard bumper. You'll have all 3 options available to you with grill guard, pre-runner, and also the RT series.
I'm absolutely loving that. That is gorgeous. Anything else in the bumper world for 2019?
Yes, I will show you their newest application is when you get into the 2019s on the Colorados, and there's some significant things that are important about that bumper. So if you were going to put an aftermarket bumper on a Colorado, you would have to basically cut into that bumper in order to get a bumper to work. What we did at ICI, if you want to,
yeah, absolutely,
around here, is instead of chopping up that bumper, it gives you at least the opportunity that you can resell an aftermarket bumper and sell it off there. So what we've done here is that we've designed the Colorado bumper where you can remove the whole bumper itself off the truck, and then you can use a bumper, the Magnum bumper from ICI. What we've done is we've made some fiberglass units that come included in the kit. You'll have to paint them to match your vehicle, but it'll fill that gap in there and it'll make it look like it was just from the factory. Otherwise, you would have a gap.
Is anybody else doing this, by the way?
No, and every other bumper that we know of at this time is requiring you to do a cut, and you will not have to do that with the ICI.
That's good news.
And it's very simple. It will utilize, and it will basically use the factory clamps, so tabs, so it's an easy install using those pieces in there.
Absolutely gorgeous, and I see this down here. Now, this is what we're already familiar with, right?
Yes, this one below here is the F-150. It's actually the 2017, or the 18 and 19 one. Just kind of showing you things that we do. When it comes into like the adaptive cruise control or sensors, we have the boxes that are already in the unit here. It's an ABS, so you can pop those out. So if the truck has them, they're there for you. And if they don't have them, which is kind of neat about it, is that you can actually utilize them and actually add some factory or aftermarket lights that can go in those positions as well. On that 1819 F-150, you can see we follow those lines again. It's got a very nice taper to it. And one thing I want to include that also on the S10 is that we're providing the lights in the amber white lights for the turn signals in there, so you have something in there for that look to follow the lines and give us that angle that we want with that bumper.
Look at that, ICI taking care of you every step of the way. Now, when are these going to be available? Are they available right now?
Yes, the Colorado application and also the 1819 Ford F-150 are out and available in shipping.
There you go, and you can pick them up at MidwestAftermarket.com. Thank you very much, my friend.
Thank you.
All right, we'll see you next time.